Hello everyone, this is Adonis Anastasiou, if you don't know me by now. And today I'm going to share with you a few tips concerning Google Ads and a few insights that I have learned through my experience with Google Ads, especially during those last months and the changes that the pandemic brought to Google Ads. Well, the first thing that I have noticed is that there is an increase on Google search and people are clicking more on ads that have to do with home equipment, sofas, furniture, home renovation. All those keywords have a tremendous increase. Most probably is that because of the pandemic, people are staying home, they spend more time, watching their TV, and they think, oh, maybe I should get a bigger TV, or maybe it's time to change my sofa because I'm not comfortable sitting for so many hours, on this sofa. So if you're selling furniture, any type of home appliances, TVs, projector, home gym equipment for home, or anything that has to do with home or inside or outdoors, outside of your home, like for example garden furniture for the garden. Now it's the time to promote your products, because as we said, people are spending more time locked in their house or their apartment, and they are searching to find ways to make their home a better place. So if you're selling those type of products, now it's the time. Wow, it's there's some thunders outside. So if you're selling home equipment, home products, or anything has to do with home renovation, now is the time to promote those products through Google search ads. And this is very important, through Google search ads, because that's where people are going to go and search to find something they are interested in. They're not going to go and search Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn or whatever. They're going to go to Google, and that's where you have to put your money, okay? Put your money, increase your daily budget on Google search ads. Of course, you can supplement that with, advertisements on Google Display Network, YouTube ads, ads on Facebook, on Instagram, LinkedIn, but most important, increase your spending budget on Google ads, but set them up correctly, because now the time that you're going to get a much more better return on investment. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks on digital marketing and sales. And don't forget to find some more useful information down below on the description section. See you next time.